In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom calendar in Obsidian. We'll start inside Obsidian, so make sure the app is open with the vault you want to use. Think of your vault as the home for all your notes and the calendar you're about to build. On the left sidebar, you'll see your folders and files. We're going to give your calendar its own space so it stays tidy and easy to find. Look for the option to create a new folder. It usually appears as a small folder icon with a plus sign in the File Explorer. When the new folder prompt opens, type a clear, memorable name that fits your workflow. Something like calendar, daily notes, or journal works well. The main goal is clarity. In a few weeks, you want to spot this folder instantly. Hit enter to create it. With the folder in place, click into it, then add a new note. This note can serve as a starter or placeholder, and it gives you a spot to test the calendar flow in a moment. You might title it with today's date or a quick label such as first calendar note. If you'd like, add a short line inside the note stating its purpose, for example, "This is where my daily entries will go." That simple setup helps you confirm everything is working once the calendar is active. Next, let's bring in the calendar tool. Look down to the bottom left of Obsidian and click the settings icon. This opens your Vault settings where you can enable community plugins. In the settings panel, navigate to community plugins. This is where you'll add features built by the Obsidian community to extend what the app can do. Once you're in that section, click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. In the search bar, type Calendar. You'll see the popular calendar plugin appear in the results. This plugin creates a calendar view inside Obsidian, lets you click a date to create or open a daily note, and makes it easy to move between days at a glance. Select the calendar plugin to open its page, then click Enable to turn it on for your vault. Enabling ensures Obsidian can run the plugin's features the moment it's present. After that, click Install to add it to your setup. Installing places the plugin files into your vault so they're available every time you open Obsidian. If your screen layout looks slightly different, don't worry. The goal is simply to make sure the calendar plugin is both installed and enabled before you move on. Once that's done, close the settings panel so you're back at your notes. Shift your attention to the right-hand side of the Obsidian interface. You should see a small calendar icon in the sidebar. Click it to open the calendar pane. You'll now have a clean monthly view right within Obsidian. From here, clicking on a date will either open an existing daily note for that day or create a new one automatically, depending on your setup. Because you created a folder for your notes, it's easy to keep everything organized. If you want all daily notes to land in that folder, you can later adjust your daily notes settings so the calendar knows exactly where to place them. A simple way to use this right away is to open today's date and jot down a quick entry like tasks, highlights, or a brief journal. That confirms everything is connected the way you expect. If you prefer a tidy structure, keep your naming consistent. Many people use a format like year, month, day, so dates sort naturally. Over time, your calendar view becomes a quick hub to navigate across all those entries without searching. And that's it. You opened Obsidian, created a dedicated folder, added a starter note, went into settings to find community plugins, browsed for the calendar plugin, enabled and installed it, then switch back to your workspace to launch the calendar from the right sidebar. Now you have a custom calendar in Obsidian ready to support your daily notes and planning. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your calendar workflow.